Here I have UMIDIGI A3, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to enter network and internet section, hotspot and tethering, Wi-Fi hotspot. So here you can switch your hotspot, you can also change its name here, you can change its security protocol here, you can change its password here. In the advanced, you can also set it to turn off automatically if nobody is connected. You can change its AP band, you can reset its OOB settings, and you can also manage set maximum amount of connections allowed to your hotspot. And you can also manage connected and block users if somebody is connected, but as you can see, nobody is connected to my network. And you can also switch your portable hotspot here at the upper bar. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.